Hi, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go through how to complete your Energy Stations Lab. So in Schoology is a copy of the dry lab as well as the answer key for the pre-lab. So again, I went through questions 1 through 6 in class, and in the answer key it has those answers. Question 7 you are going to answer on your own, again in complete sentences based off of the information of what we went through in the front here. So in Schoology there are videos for the first 2 stations. So the first station is a popper station. So here you will answer these questions. Again, watch the video so you see actually what you are, the toy that you're actually using. But essentially down here is where your information is. So here you have your distance in which your popper had popped, how high it popped in centimeters. You are going to convert it into meters. Again, this is multiplying through the conversions. In this case, what you're going to do is you're going to divide by 100 to change it into meters. Because again, for the units for this formula of what you're solving, mass is in kilograms, where distance, height, is in meters. So here's your mass that we made our popper. And again, you need to convert it because it starts out in grams. We have to convert it into kilograms in order to plug it into the formula. So that's for station 1. For station 2, again, there's a video to show what an actual pendulum is. And essentially all we did was we took the pendulum and we started at a certain height. This is the height in which we released. And then when we let it go, we measured how high it reached to the other side, which is this measurement. So you're going to answer these questions again in at least one complete sentence in order to get full credit. For the marble in the U. So down here is a picture of what it would look like. Essentially what you are putting here is you're answering questions thinking of what from your information that you know about energy, kinetic and potential. If I start the marble at this height, so from this end at that height, and then it rolls down and reaches the height of here, you are just going to explain as to what happened in terms of its energy. Your opinions, again, based off of the knowledge that you know. For the marbles down a ramp, we are calculating our work. So the first thing is you did 3 trials. This is the height of the textbooks. Here is asking you for the average of the 3 trials. So you'll take these 3 numbers, you'll add them up, divide by 3 to get you your average for the movement of the cup. Here, you're going to convert these numbers into meters from centimeters. Again, just like we did in station 1, you're just going to take this number, divide by 100 to get your numbers in meters. And because we are trying to find the work down here for each height of the book, okay, we are actually going to use this force that's given. So that's what F is for each of these, is 0.75 newtons. And then you're going to take the distance, which is what you calculated up here in meters, in order to calculate the amount of work that's being done. For station 5, which is the last one, you were measuring how high you believe that your, after you measure the height of the loop, the height of the second hill, you were supposed to predict how high you needed to start the marble. So essentially, we told you what the height should be in order, or the actual height it took us for it to go through the entire thing. And again, you can put that information and then explain. But again, we really want you to, after this information, calculate what you think should the height be before you actually move on. But again, all of this answering the questions need to be in complete sentences, at least one complete sentences, and then all calculations need to have its units, its formula, and its answers with its units. Again, from the answer sheet from the pre-lab at the beginning, where the answer key again is in Schoology, should be able to help you for the formulas of what you're calculating. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out.